to create a chart and another dashboard according to data that is pasted. Just remember, the original data that came in was linked. So it is linked, as you can see in the formula bar here, it is linked. So you would need to copy paste that data as a value. Okay, so you would simply copy paste the data as a value. So you go to another sheet, you paste it as a value. Notice it is a value. See? But then what you've got to do is you've got to take the phases out, you've got to delete the phases, and you've got to rather put the phases in vertically here. Phase 1, 1, 1, 1, phase 2, 2, 2. I'm sure you get the idea. If we go to MS Project, we'll see how it works. Phase 1, 1, 1, 1, and 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's go to that thing in MS Project, not Garden Project. Okay, which project am I looking at? Okay, Renovate Kitchen. Hey, there we go. All right, so it's phase 1, 1, 1, 1, phase 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so that's what I've done. So we go back to Excel there. Phase 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and down 3, 3 down the bottom there. And then I just, for fun, I added a province and a resource for each task. Okay. And if you had more than one resource, I would heartily recommend resource 1, resource 2, resource 3 over there, okay, instead of just putting them all into one column. One of the golden rules of data is rather more fields rather than less fields, okay. Right, so what we do here is we're going to insert a pivot table, okay, we're going to generate a pivot table and on a new worksheet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the provinces down here into rows, and I'm going to pull the total over there. Okay, there we go. And then all I do is I type the word province here. Okay, and I know this is not directly relevant for the delegates on course at the moment, but it may be if they manage to get the coordinates of their particular city. Okay, and I'm going to paste the values and then insert. Not 3D map. You can go 3D map, but I prefer maps. That's, by the way, that's Bing. That's Google, in my opinion. I think that's what happened. It puts the chart in. It's picked up the names of the provinces and so forth. I can change the title of the provinces. Okay, and the title is cost by province. Okay, here we go. And now I've got to trick it and go back. So I go to right click and I go to select data and I choose the data over here and I click on OK and I can now get rid of those two columns. That's just a trick to get Microsoft Excel, okay, to do that kind of thing. What are we doing? People, someone's wanting to come in. Okay, there we go. Pumna's coming in. Right. Cost by province. Now if I put a slicer in, insert slicer, and I make it by resource and phase. Let's go phase as well. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I know this data is probably not logical, but I'm sure you see the value of it for your particular project. Okay. All right. Yasin coming back in. All right. There we go. So phase 1. Phase 1 is mainly in KwaZulu-Natal. Phase 2 seems to be in the northeastern part of the country. Phase 3, wow, Western Cape. There we go, guys. Phase 3 and KwaZulu-Natal. Look at that, eh? Remove. The builder is doing work mainly in the Free State. The electrician is doing work maybe in the northern part of the country and a bit in the Western Cape. So you can see how these things actually change according to the slicers. Okay, let me stop the recording.